Welcome to Enjoy Nepal Treks. Enjoy Nepal Treks is legal trekking agency since 2017. I'm gonna some information about Dolpo trek and slide slow the photos. Far western of Nepal, Upper Dolpo trek is one of the remote and restricted trekking areas of Nepal. While going to Upper Dolpo trek, trekking guide is most important, and trekking guides needs to have trekking guide license. As well, trekking permit is issued only through the legal trekking agencies. Upper Dolpo trek is accomplished in 20 days from Kathmandu to Kathmandu. Upper Dolpo trek is camping 10 trek. Culturally and naturally, Upper Dolpo trek is beautiful. While doing the Upper Dolpo trek, you have to pass above the 5,000 meters 3 passes. This trek offers you outstanding view with the Himalayan rich landscape. Also in this trek, Foksunda Lake also the highlights, and Tibetan people, their culture, their life style and livelihood. Upper Dolpo area is known as a bone religious inhabitants areas, means unconnected autonomous religion. Upper Dolpo trek is done in 4 seasons. It's called spring season, summer season, autumn season and winter season. Still, you get not the lodges and fooding during your trek. That's why it's a kind of complete camping trekking, means you have to bring with you your camping tents, camping staffs like your guides, cook, porters and other staffs to complete your trek. While starting your trek, first of all, you fly from Kathmandu to Nepalganj and Nepalganj to Jupal, and then you start your trek. If you are planning to do Upper Dolpo trek and looking for the best agencies, staffs, you are welcome at Enjoy Nepal Treks. We have an experienced license holder and professional guides, cook, porters. We have our own camping equipment you can hire with us. We arrange your Upper Dolpo trek permits. We are an easygoing and flexible to work. We have a legal registered trekking agency in Nepal. We provide medical first aid for the Nepalese staff. In case of emergency and accident, we will be responsible. Thanks for watching.